A's, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Audi A4, a car that combines style, performance, and cutting-edge tech. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that stands out, this one might just be for you. A's 2025 Audi A4's exterior gets a modern refresh. Up front, you'll notice Audi's signature single-frame grille, which is now wider and bolder, giving the car an aggressive stance. Sleek LED headlights with optional matrix LED technology add sophistication and boost nighttime visibility. Along the sides, strong character lines and a more aerodynamic profile enhance the sporty look, while new alloy wheel designs add a refined touch. A's performance A's under the hood. The Audi A4 doesn't disappoint. Buyers can choose between turbocharged 2.0-liter engines, with power ranging from 201 to 261 horsepower. For those wanting more, there's a hybrid option that boosts both power and fuel efficiency. Paired with the smooth 7-speed S-tronic transmission, the A4 offers seamless shifts and an engaging drive. A's step inside, and the 2025 Audi A4 welcomes you with luxury and advanced technology. Premium materials like leather upholstery, wood inlays, and brushed aluminum accents elevate the cabin feel. The A4 features Audi's latest MMI infotainment system on a 10.1-inch touchscreen, complete with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intuitive interface. Drivers also benefit from a 12.3-inch digital cockpit display with customizable views. A's safety features. A's 2025 A4 doesn't just focus on luxury, it's also packed with advanced safety features. Audi's pre-sense city system, which includes automatic emergency braking, is standard, helping to detect and prevent potential collisions. Optional features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera add an extra layer of security. A's prices. A's. So, how much does all this luxury cost? The 2025 Audi A4 has a starting price of around $42,000 for the base model, with the top trim and additional options pushing that closer to $55,000. Given the features and performance, it's a competitive price point in the luxury sedan market. A's outro. A's. That's the 2025 Audi A4. A sleek, performance-packed sedan that doesn't compromise on luxury or safety. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments what you think about the new Audi A4.